Well, hello and welcome everybody to the YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about my LED lighting. Yes, isn't it fancy? Yes, every successful YouTube channel has this, and if they don't have it, they're not successful. So I've got it, probably be better if I actually set it up. Anyway, today I wanted to talk about the DR650 issue that I think is commonly overlooked. It's a maintenance item that I don't think people are checking independently from the wheel bearings. So we're talking about the Cush drive, the sprocket carrier bearing. And I wanted to show you one that has failed. It's actually my brother's bike. Today is my day off. I shouldn't have even been in the workshop, but I'm helping him out. I'm working on his bike there. I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I've done rocker cover gasket so far, service, valve clearances, and so this was discovered during the service. So check it out. If you've got a DR650, check this out. If you've got an off-road bike with a sprocket carrier that it has a Cush drive, check this out. So what I wanted to talk about here is something I've seen on DR650s before. When you check the wheel bearings here, usually grab the bottom of the wheel, top of the wheel, check if there's any play. And this one feels pretty sturdy, but once we go down to the Cush drive, see that play there? I reckon that bearing has completely failed. Let's have a look. Okay, moment of truth. Let's get this off. So if I put that, you can see that play there. Let's have a look at the back. You can actually see the lip has pulled up. You can see the balls in there. Look at that. You can get a screwdriver in there. This bearing has completely failed. So it's a good thing we checked that, because the wheel bearing's all right, but the Cush drive bearing completely shot. Very common on DR650s, one of the most overlooked maintenance items. Check yours. So there you have it. I know that I replaced the rear wheel bearings on this bike because it's my brother's, probably about 5 or so years ago. How many kilometers it's done since then, I'm not really sure. But I have seen this issue on a bike that had only done about 15,000 kilometers, and it needed the rear wheel bearings replaced as well as the Cush drive bearing, which all balls do a kit that includes the seals and the 3 bearings, so the Cush drive and the 2 wheel bearings, in one kit. And that's what I'll be putting into this bike, because I figure if the Cush drive bearing has failed, it is putting pressure on the other bearings. That why not? The wheel's already out. There could be wear there that is not visible yet, but on its way out. When bearings fail, if you've got a shaft in between 2 bearings, or in this case 3, you're best to replace them all if one fails, because there's going to be pressure that wouldn't ordinarily be there on the other ones. That's my philosophy anyway. Subscribe, like, stay tuned.